When it comes to affordable cars, the Suzuki Alto has been one of the most recognized names in many markets. It is a small hatchback designed for daily driving, low running costs, and easy maintenance. The Suzuki Alto VXR is especially popular among people who want a practical car for city use without spending too much. The main idea behind the Alto is simplicity. It is not built to be a luxury vehicle or a high-performance machine. Instead, it focuses on being reliable, economical, and easy to drive. The Suzuki Alto VXR comes with a small engine that is designed for fuel efficiency. The lightweight body helps the car move easily through city traffic while keeping fuel consumption low for daily trips, office travel, and family use. This size makes it convenient to handle. One of the biggest advantages of the Alto is its compact design. Parking in crowded areas becomes easier, and driving through narrow streets does not feel difficult. This makes it a suitable option for urban environments where space is limited. Inside the cabin, the Alto VXR offers a simple and practical layout. The dashboard design focuses on basic controls that are easy to understand. The seats provide enough comfort for regular city journeys, while the available space works well for small families or daily commuters. Technology features in the Alto are focused on essential needs. Depending on the market and model year, features may include power steering, air conditioning, audio connectivity, and safety equipment. The car keeps things simple rather than adding unnecessary complexity. When it comes to maintenance, this is where the Alto has a strong reputation. Spare parts are generally easy to find, and many mechanics are familiar with Suzuki vehicles. This helps owners manage repair and service costs more easily. But the Alto VXR also has some limitations. Because it is a small car, it is not designed for high-speed driving or heavy loads. On highways, the smaller engine may feel less powerful compared to larger vehicles. The cabin space is also limited, especially for passengers sitting in the rear seats during long journeys. The driving experience of the Alto is focused on comfort and convenience. The steering is light, the controls are simple, and the car feels easy for new drivers. It is a vehicle made for getting from one place to another without unnecessary complications. For many buyers, the Suzuki Alto VXR is a practical choice because it offers affordable ownership, good fuel economy, and easy maintenance. It may not have the features or power of expensive cars, but it serves its purpose well. The Suzuki Alto VXR represents a simple idea: a small car that is affordable to own and easy to live with. For daily city driving, it remains one of the options many people consider when looking for a reliable and economical vehicle.